Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the new video of the MKR developer channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to handle the click event listener and display the data of the single item of the recycler view in a new activity. In the previous videos we have created this application, implemented this recycler view on it, and I showed you how to handle the click event listener. On click listener and display a toast, and on long click listener and also display a toast. So if you haven't watched those videos and you don't know how to do this, you can find the link in the description, and also I will put the link of the whole playlist here on the top and you can click on it and watch those videos. Here briefly I will explain what I've done to handle the click event listener. Here in the XML file that we have created to design this single item, we set an ID for the constraint layout, the main layout of this single row. Then here in the adapter, in the class view holder, we have initialized this layout, and then here in the unbind view holder we set the function set on click listener for this, and then we have displayed this toast, and also online click listener is here. Now for this video we have to create a new activity, so let's do it. I'm going to call it second activity. Okay, here is our activity, and we have to design the layout of this activity first of all. Okay, the layout is ready, and I will slowly scroll down the codes. If you want to copy them, you can pause the video and copy them, and also you can find the source code in my GitHub link down below in the description. Okay, let's go to the adapter. Here I showed you to have the context. We can take the context from each of these widgets, and here we have created the value, we named it count, and we took the context from this layout. And also I want to show you another way to take the context. Here we need an intent equals to intent. Now we need the context. if you watch here, we have a variable called it with the type of view. So here I can write it dot context, and that is. And then the second activity. Okay. Then here we have to pass the data. So first of all, intent dot put extra the name, image, and the data can be current item. Here we are taking the data from this current item, which is the taken data from the class pizza and from this array list that here we have initialized. And then dot image type. I'm going to press Ctrl D to duplicate it. Here title and name, and here ingredients, and here also ingredients. So here it dot context dot start activity, and we will pass the intent here. Okay, now we have set everything on our intent and we pass it here, and by this we can open the new activity, but we have to extract the data and display them. So let's see what we have till now. Okay, I'm clicking on one of the items, and here we are in the second activity, but the fixed design that we have created for this is here, the pizza one and ingredients and this banner picture. So let's go to the second activity.kt to extract the data. Here equals to get intent, or instead of it you can use the intent as you see here. Now we are taking the data from this intent. First of all, I'm going to create a variable for image and equals to intent dot get a string extra, and then we have to pass the name that here we have set for this item. So I'm going to press Ctrl C to copy it and paste it here. Okay, then the rest. The title, the ingredients. Here we have the title, and here we have the ingredients. Okay. Now let's initialize the widgets here. So img underscore, which means the image view of the second activity equals to find view by ID, the type image view, and r.id dot the image view. Let me check what is the ID of this image view. This is the image view. Let me change it. img underscore second. Okay. Then the rest. TV underscore title underscore second, and here the type is text view. Title second activity. Here TV underscore ing, short for ingredients, and then the second type is text view. Okay, I have an error here. Well, no matter, after build it will be solved automatically. Here now we are going to set this data on the widgets. So img the second dot set image resource, and I'm going to pass this image. It should be integer. So here I'm changing it to integer, and the default value can be 0. Okay, then text view the second for a title dot text equals to the title, and text view ingredients dot text equals to the ingredient variable data. Okay, that's it. Let's check it on the emulator. Yeah, I'm clicking on the item and it will be displayed in the activity. It works like a charm. That was everything about this video. If you're satisfied of the content and you want to financially support me, you can find a link in the description below, and by clicking on that link you can buy me a coffee. Thank you for your support. If you find this video interesting, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment box below and I will be so happy to answer to your questions. Remember to subscribe to the channel for new videos. Have a good time. See you in next videos. Bye bye.